don't know if you guys can tell, but we're going house swimsuit on. Got my bag. We are going to the beach today. Have a little cute moment. You know, it's hot outside today. I went to the gym. I worked on back. I was like, you know what? Let me just expose my back. You see what I'm saying? Like, give it a little. I'm gonna go to the Coronado Island because honestly, that's one of the most relaxing, no civilian beaches. It's like no one's ever there. There's like, it's just more private, like a private, cute little. So let's go. I wish the sun would be coming out when I go somewhere. Every time I show up somewhere, the sun is gone. But you guys see what I mean? Like, nobody's freaking here. The cute little bridge moment, like, guys. Here, and if the ground is moving, it's because the wind. The sun is gone. Y'all, I'm right-handed and I did all that with my left hand. I am like, come on, Pam, shit with your left hand. That S is kind of wonky. That's kind of, you know. But the heart was hella cute. That chick girl. Okay, I just came to show you guys. Look at this gold flakes. If it's gold for real, like you see how it's just like my camera's not even clear. You see how the gold just gleaming? Look how pretty that is. It's dead ass gold. Glitter in the water. Gold. So pretty out here.
It's really you on my mind. Be both sides of the 12, see both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their house, sleep no grind for the well. Whole team
Yeah, bitch, I'm popping bottles, dream a genie. Flyest bitch on the planet, live in the castle. Niggas love me, my little waist, my.
Y'all, I have to pee really bad, and I'm so tempted to go up in that water and just urinate. That wouldn't be wrong for me to go in the water just so I could pee before I go. I'm dead ass about to sit on the side of this and pee. Wash my hands. And did. Buns, hun. So the sun is finally coming out, and we have our toes in the sand.
Hi, I'll be right.
They got that barbecue going. It's smelling good. No, really good actually. Oh man. Hi, thank you. I don't know what time it is. The bag is secure. The crystals. Hi. Good, how are you? So pretty. Stores. I cute little one too.
Never thought I'd connect with you, not in these circumstances. Oh, you don't compare, don't fit in with them, do you get me? Judging by the way you open enough, you getting me? Ooh, out of this world, hands on, baby, now you sing me. Looking at the way we're blending in, you getting me? Ha, 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 you getting me? Ha, 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 you getting me?
And that's why I hate coming here. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. I'm about to go off the deep end. I'm about to go off the deep end. See, the views are always 8, 10. But the traffic on a bridge, it's no bueno. It's no bueno. Is this the thing that I get when I'm putting new bitches on? We're actually stopped. Oh wait, it's good. I'm in traffic right now. Not me getting my thumbnail in traffic though. A pretty girl should not be pumping her own gas.